know how to order in a Chinese coffee shop? It's actually much easier than you think. In Chinese coffee shops, you don't need to say I want in a full sentence. People usually keep it short and just say
要一杯
this means I'd like a. For example,
要一杯拿铁
means I'd like a latte. Simple and very natural. Coffee sizes in Chinese are also really straightforward.
小杯
Small
中杯
is medium,
大杯
is large. These work in almost every coffee shop. Some places like Starbucks use terms like tall and grande, but
小杯中杯大杯
always work. For example,
要一杯中杯拿铁
means a medium latte. If you want to order coffee in Chinese, you really only need a few common types.
美式咖啡
Is an Americano.
拿铁
Latte
卡布奇诺
is a cappuccino. For example,
要一杯大杯美式
means a large Americano, and
要一杯小杯卡布奇诺
means a small cappuccino. One question you will almost always hear in a Chinese coffee shop is this.
要热的还是冰的？
This means hot or iced.
热的，
Means hot,
冰的。
means cold. The easiest way to reply is just one word.
热的
Or
冰的
here's what a full order sounds like in real Chinese.
要一杯大杯冰拿铁
I'd like a large iced latte. Let's do a quick test. How do you say I'd like a medium hot Americano?
要一杯中杯热美式
How do you say I'd like a large cappuccino?
要一杯大杯卡布奇诺
How do you say I'd like a small latte?
要一杯小杯拿铁
If you found today's video helpful, then please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, let us know if there are any topics you'd like us to cover in the future. See you next time.